how to import templates, Elementor templates into your Elementor library. Okay, so make this short and sweet. Let's just get right into it. I've actually already got this one downloaded right here, this block. I'm gonna head back over to my fresh WordPress install. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is head over to Elementor and My Templates. Now remember, you can do this with the free version of Elementor and Elementor Pro, it does not matter. Okay, next you'll want to hit Import Templates, choose File. I'm gonna hop back out here to the root folder of the downloads. And when you download from our website, you should get a folder that looks like this. It's got the name, how to use the JSON file, and your template. So our template's right here. We've got the .json file. Just hit open and import. Once it's imported, it'll show up right here in your My Templates list right there. Okay, so next thing you want to do is actually import this onto a page. So let's head over to Pages here, and I've already got a sample page created. I'm just gonna hit Edit with Elementor and hit this folder icon right here, and you'll have 3 different tabs: Blocks, Pages, and My Templates. Go to My Templates and you should see that template that you just imported right there, pricing 14. Insert, we'll hit no, and boom, there you go.